Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Georgia and today I'm going to be doing a Maniology video. Super excited about this one. Also, please ignore the cat hair that is stuck to my desk. It's been bothering me since I noticed it. Starting off with the cotton grabber. Super cute little pineapple cotton bud grabber. Has the little claws that come out so that you can easily pick up pieces of cotton and stuff. I loved using this for cleaning the stamping plates. I'll show y'all later in the video how I do that and stuff, but here's just how you pick them up. Super easy. And again, I love that. Pineapple top, so cute. Next item, we have a angled precision brush. This is super helpful for getting around the cuticle, just cleaning up any excess bits of polish that are, on the skin or whatnot. This is me trying to show y'all that it's angled. I don't know if y'all can tell. But yeah, just super helpful for cleaning up after stamping. This is the sticky base. So this is the base coat that you apply before you start stamping. It just helps the design stick really well to the nail itself. Next, we have the nail stamping starter kit. I'll open that later. And then the Essentials Brights polish set. So let me get this open for y'all. Here I just grabbed this this little tool to help me pry open the bottom of the box. And of course I opened it upside down. Super pretty though. I love these colors. Just super versatile. I felt like I could also make my own colors out of these, like blend, mix and stuff. I've never tried that, so I don't know if that would work, but I felt like this was super satisfying opening these bottles. I liked taking off this foam. I just had to line them up in rainbow order to show you all the shades. Shade names are on the bottom. I don't know why I didn't show y'all all the shade names. But 6 polishes come in this set, and I'll link everything down below so y'all can check it out. Then these are the stamping plates. This animal one is called Animal Instinct. Super cute. I love the cheetah and the zebra one on this. I think all these textures are really, really fun. I can just imagine all different colors with this. Super cute. And then the next one is it's Bad to the Bone. It's a Halloween stamping plate. I just absolutely loved this one for the cat bone and the dog bones. And then this little candy print I thought was super cute. Super detailed though. That cat bone is what I ended up going for with my design, so wait till the end to see what that looks like. And then this is the starter kit. This is the Fright Night Halloween nail stamping starter kit. It comes with one plate, a set of or the instructions. So the stamping plate, super cute. I love these little bones here at the left bottom corner. Super cute. And the bats and the spider webs. Super, super cute. Then we have the instructions. This is the little guide to, like, you know, if you're starting out, I definitely should have read this. I've done stamping before, but it's been a while. It's probably been at least 5 years. So I was really excited to get back into it, but I was not prepared for how much everything has, like the technology has just increased and gotten so much better. It's incredible, honestly. So this is the little scraper, very good quality scraper. And then, yeah, the set comes with a set of 2 polishes and then the stamper. I struggled to get this out because of my nails. But the 2 polishes, this one is a black and a non-smudge top coat. So yeah, the black and the top coat. And then, of course, it also comes with the with this stamp itself, the silicone stamp, the clear stamper. So here I was just showing the stickiness of the silicone stamper. But I wanted to mention that Maniology is a Hawaiian company. All their products are made in Hawaii, I believe, and their founders come from Hawaii, which I just think is so amazing. And then they sent over these cute little stickers, which I forgot to show in the unboxing part. So I put some Gel-X extensions on and did a few coats of white, a milky white polish, and wiped the inhibition layer off. And starting off with this, this is Bad to the Bone stamping plate. I'm taking the black polish out of the polish duo, and I am gonna cover that cat bone pattern up about halfway with polish. Then taking that scraper, I'm gonna quickly scrape down, and then as quickly as possible, grab your silicone stamp, pick up that image, and then see how crisp that is, and then transfer onto your nail as quickly as possible. You do have some wiggle room with it, but I wouldn't push it just because it is a polish that dries really quick, and you want your image to transfer cleanly to the nail. That sticky base really helps though, so I do recommend applying a generous layer of sticky base, which I forgot to mention that I don't think I showed it, but I did apply that sticky base. That's a shame. I did go in and apply the base coat. So look how clean that is. Like, not on the skin, but like the lines, it's very crisp and clean. Maniology has very deep engravings for their nail plates, which I absolutely love. Just such crisp, clean images. And then I was going to show you an example of, I accidentally messed up here, and I wanted to show y'all how I took care of that. I just took a lint roller and stamped that picture or that image onto the thing, and it picked it up real easy. Trying again. Let's see if it transfers. Nope. Not a good one. See, it's not picking up anything anymore. So I need to clean this image. I think I went in and tried again, but yeah, no, this is not gonna pick up like I want it to. Just because there's so much polish that I let dry up within the design. So taking some cotton balls and that handy dandy little cotton ball grabber, just get a piece of cotton. I got some acetone, and then I just cleaned that image right up. See how easy that comes off? Give it a few passes and it should completely return to looking more shiny. I didn't completely wipe it off. I just wanted that one cat image to be free of polish so that I could properly pick it up. Let's see. Yeah, so I think I picked it up successfully, and I'm just going to take my stamper and stamp off the excess little pieces that I don't want on the stamped onto the nail. Super cute little cat bone. I love that. Here I decided to go in with the cat bone pattern again on my pointer finger. I just am obsessed with how crisp these come out. Rolling it side to side, making sure that that image is placed everywhere that I want it to stick to. Super cute. And then last, I wanted to try to figure out something to put on my thumb. So I switched to the Freaky Friday, sorry, what's it called? It's not Freaky Friday. Fright Nights plate. And I picked up this like cat face. Picked up really clean and easy first try. But when I stamped it onto I put this on my thumb, but when I stamped it onto my thumb, I'll show you. Super, super cute. I loved it, but I just felt it was a little underwhelming compared to everything else that I had put on my nail. I thought that maybe if I had done an orange background for this one, it might be cuter to come out like a pumpkin or something, like a jack-o'-lantern face, but I wanted something to go more with the cat theme, and I just felt like this wasn't matching with the other designs as much as I wanted to. So then I saw this cute itty bitty little freaked out cat. This like, I don't know, she looks like she's hissing and all tail puffed and everything. So I went ahead, put another layer of sticky base after wiping that nail off with acetone to get rid of the stamping that I had done. I'm so upset I missed the step about putting sticky base. Super important. But yeah, make sure you put sticky base. It just kind of acts like a sticky, kind of glue to help pick up that image from your stamper. So yeah, going in with that cat. Take a little bit of black, scrape it off. And I suggest using a clean side of your stamper. I learned that kind of the hard way. I think I struggled picking up this particular image just because of how I went ahead and picked it up with the dirty side of my scraper. So just cleaning it off. And then I've tried it again. See, yeah, pointing out, use the clean side, really scrape. You don't have to scrape too much just because you don't want to accidentally scrape the polish out of the design, but here that came out a little better, just cleaning up the bits that I didn't want stamped onto my nail and then lining it up as best as I could and placing that image down. Super cute, super satisfying. Then went in with the angled brush and started cleaning up the edges, but I actually learned a tip after doing this. Take Scotch tape and pick up as much as you can off of the skin and then go in with the angled brush on the edges of the nail. Here I decided to use a little bit of cotton, or what was it, paper towel, with some acetone on it. It just ended up smearing it and staining my nail or my skin. And the angled brush is really helpful for getting in the cracks and stuff on, like, in between your nail plate and your side walls. It just was not as, like, powerful enough to, like, get all of the residue, but I recently tried picking it up with Scotch tape, and it was incredible how much polish it picks up from the sides, and it doesn't ruin your design. Like, this is a little risky using acetone right next to my freshly stamped nails. After they're all cleaned up, I went in with this top coat. I top coated my pinky, my ring finger, my pointer, and then also my thumb. I'm gonna go in with a charm on my middle finger, and I'm gonna top coat it later. I just think these nails are looking so cute. Taking this gem gel, or this like charm gel, I'm putting it on my middle finger, just a little drop of it, and spreading it out so that I can put my charm directly on top. I chose this cat face. It kind of reminds me of Gigi from Kiki's Delivery Service, but or the cat from Sailor Moon, but I think it kind of fits the vibe with this, since it's like a Halloween, it kind of looks like a Halloween cat. It just kind of added a cartoon, fun, silly vibe to it, and instead of keeping it, you know, like spooky Halloween, you know, there's still like the cat bones, but then there's also the cat's face. So I did fully cure these nails and added a top coat layer to the middle finger around the charm. But I think these turned out so cute. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all liked this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And check out those links down below. But yeah, everyone, I hope y'all have an amazing day and that everything goes y'all's way and that y'all stay safe out there. Bye, y'all.